Over 5 billion people use the internet today. Nearly every business, from a local bakery to a multinational bank, depends on a website or web application. If websites disappeared tomorrow, online banking would freeze, e-commerce would collapse, remote work platforms would stop, digital marketing pipelines would break. Web development is not just building websites, it is the infrastructure layer of the digital economy. Today, we break down the world of web development services, how it works, how it evolved, who powers it, and where it's heading. At its core, web development is the design, creation, and maintenance of websites and web applications. Core functions: building user interfaces front-end, managing databases and servers back-end, integrating APIs and third-party systems, maintaining security and performance. Subcategories: front-end development, back-end development, full-stack development, e-commerce platforms, web applications, CMS implementation, e.g. WordPress. Problems it solves: digital presence, online transactions, internal company systems, customer engagement, automation workflows. Common misconception: web development is not just coding a homepage. It is digital architecture, engineering, and system integration combined. Web development began in 1989 when Tim Berners-Lee introduced the World Wide Web at CERN. Early era 1990s, static HTML pages, basic hyperlinks, no databases. Dot-com boom, late 1990s, massive startup growth, e-commerce explosion, venture capital acceleration. Web 2.0, 2000s, user-generated content, social platforms like Facebook, interactive JavaScript applications. Modern era, cloud computing, SaaS platforms, AI-driven applications. Progressive web apps. The industry evolved from simple documents to complex digital ecosystems. Behind the scenes, web development follows structured processes, typical business models, fixed-price projects, hourly billing, retainer agreements, SaaS subscription models, revenue structures, development fees, maintenance contracts, hosting and infrastructure fees, licensing and subscriptions. Workforce structure: developers, UI UX designers, DevOps engineers, QA testers, project managers. Outsourcing versus in-house. In-house teams offer control, agencies offer scalability, offshore teams reduce costs, hybrid models combine both. Technology stack examples: front-end React Vue, back-end Node.js PHP, databases MySQL, cloud, Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure. This is structured engineering, not random coding. Web development has one of the most diverse employment structures globally. Models include freelancers, contractors, agency employees, full-time corporate developers, startup founders. Global variation: North America, high freelance penetration; Eastern Europe, outsourcing hubs; India, large-scale offshore development; Western Europe, hybrid agency models. Remote work dramatically reshaped this industry, especially post-2020. Web development fuels: global e-commerce, fintech systems, healthcare portals, government services, education platforms. Digital services contribute significantly to GDP across advanced economies. Cross-border web services enable international SaaS platforms, remote development teams, global marketplaces. Economic downturn: web services often pivot rather than collapse because digital presence is no longer optional. Web development faces real friction: cybersecurity threats, skill shortages, wage pressure, global competition, rapid tech obsolescence. AI coding tools are reshaping workflows, but not eliminating developers. Adaptability is survival. The next frontier includes AI-assisted coding, no-code and low-code platforms, edge computing, Web3 integration, sustainable hosting infrastructure. Automation will handle repetitive coding. Human developers will focus on architecture, security, system integration, strategy. The role evolves, it does not disappear. Web development suits individuals who think logically, enjoy problem solving, adapt quickly, embrace lifelong learning. Career paths: junior developer, senior engineer, architect, freelancer, agency founder, developer, tech founder. Risk tolerance matters. Technology cycles move fast, but demand remains structurally strong. Services shape the modern world. Understanding them means understanding how economies truly function. Web development is not just code. It is digital infrastructure, economic leverage, and global connectivity. If you're interested in the mechanics behind industries, how services power economies, or where employment models are heading, comment below with the next industry we should explore. Subscribe for the next episode in the Servicingpedia Get to Know series.